Hello, I'm Matt Gardner, Director of Government Affairs for the Greater North Dakota Chamber. With elections approaching in November, GNDC has put together a series of videos or ballot briefs to provide information to voters on the candidates that you will see on the ballot. This ballot brief will look at the Insurance Commissioner race. This race is unique in that there is only one candidate. So to better understand his policy stance, we asked incumbent John Gottfried what key issue is facing North Dakota businesses, and as Insurance Commissioner, how would you plan to address this? We allowed him to provide a 2-minute response.
The biggest issue I see facing the business community and probably North Dakota as a whole is the ever increasing cost of health insurance, and underneath that is the general rising cost of healthcare. It's no secret that if the thing that you're insuring is increasing in cost, your insurance is likely going to increase. And so we've seen a steady uptick over the last number of years. I think it's not only in North Dakota, but across the country. And it's getting to the point where people can't afford it. Health insurance is really becoming unaffordable, and that's a big concern that we have at the insurance department. And something we're doing to address it is last session we introduced and we're lucky enough to get past the reinsurance program for North Dakota. What that did is that equated to about a 20% reduction on the individual market. So those are for the small business owners, the farmers and ranchers, really anybody who isn't part of a group or part of a large employer who have to go out and actually purchase their own health insurance. This program again provided for that 20% reduction because that marketplace specifically has been really struggling, really hit with high costs and high increased premiums. Going forward, what we're doing to look at the other broader market of health insurance is addressing the healthcare cost side of the equation. We've just completed a pretty significant healthcare cost study. I was authorized last legislative session to go in and look between the hospitals, the insurers, and our consumers and really try to get a handle on why is it so expensive to receive healthcare in North Dakota. We're hopeful that there'll be some big policy priorities that come out of that, but we're working with our legislative leaders to get that done. But ultimately, the goal is to make sure we have health insurance that's affordable for everybody and really access for all North Dakotans.